Nowadays, gadgets have become a part of our everyday life, making things easier, smarter, and way more fun. Just imagine having some mind-blowing, cool, and super unique gadgets that you can easily order online from Amazon. So today, I'm going to show you 10 such awesome and unbelievable gadgets that you'll instantly fall in love with. As always, all the purchase links are waiting for you in the description below. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video and check them out. Number 1. Enabot EBO X. The robots have arrived, and they're taking over in the cutest way possible. Meet the Enabot EBO X, a mobile home monitoring robot equipped with smart mapping and security features. It works as a roaming security camera with built-in night vision, designed to be a proactive guardian in your living space. It can notify family members if a loved one has fallen, is crying, or needs assistance. With facial recognition, it knows who's who, and it can even deliver medication reminders or alert you if a stranger enters the scene. You can command the Enabot EBO X to stay at a fixed post or let it patrol around as the rolling protector of your home. With 4K UHD video, it streams real-time footage, and when its battery gets low, it automatically returns to its dock. It also doubles as a speaker and ambient light source, and comes with Amazon Alexa built right in. Number 2. Supernova. These days, it feels like everything has a Bluetooth speaker slapped into it. We've seen a toaster that not only browned your bread, but played your tunes in high fidelity. But honestly, what happened to a Bluetooth speaker just focusing on being an awesome Bluetooth speaker? That's exactly the mission behind Supernova. It's a beautifully engineered Bluetooth speaker that also doubles as a lamp, wrapped in a mecha robot aesthetic that feels like steampunk collided with an alien battlesuit. You can link multiple units for stereo audio, and it still gives you the good old aux port love. On the lighting side, you get over 8 ambient color modes, designed not just to look cool, but also to suit on-the-go setups. Battery-wise, one full charge delivers roughly 9 hours of continuous playback. And this isn't just a single paint scheme either. Supernova comes in sleek black or the iconic battle-worn yellow. Number 3. Rokid Max AR Glasses. R is what pirates shout, but AR is what happy tech lovers shout when they slip on the new Rokid Max AR glasses. This is 360 degrees of micro-OLED delight that plays perfectly with Windows, iOS, and Android, plus full HDCP support for protected content. You're looking at a wide 50-degree field of view, meaning your sight isn't boxed in and you can still see the world around you. Add in a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for seamless transitions with zero ghosting. The Rokid Max AR also packs up to 600-degree diopter adjustment, letting nearsighted users fine-tune clarity without external lenses, and the comfort design lets you wear them for marathon sessions. Imagine a massive 360-inch virtual display floating at 10 meters away, lit up with 600 nits of brightness. And yes, the iPhone 15 can plug right in using the included cable, or you can go wireless with AirPlay for an even cleaner setup. Number 4. MetMo Grip. Everyday carry alert. Major everyday carry alert. Attention, all handymen and tinkering enthusiasts. MetMo has cooked up something special. This is a multifunctional wrench designed for basically anyone who works, camps, cycles, hikes, or just likes to fix things for fun. MetMo is a true multitasker. It acts as a hammer, a wrench, a bottle opener, and even holds driver bits while clamping down on nuts. Built from stainless steel with carbon steel polycarbonate components, it's durable yet surprisingly lightweight at just 260 grams, making it effortless to keep by your side wherever you go. Number 5. YeeLight Cube. Light up your space and showcase your personality with the YeeLight Cube. This modular light system packs 16 million colors and uses a magnetic plug-and-play setup that makes building with light surprisingly easy. But YeeLight goes even further by allowing pixel-level art displays. And through the companion app, you can fine-tune the color of each individual LED bead. You can set the vibe however you like, from calm, warm, ambient lighting to high-energy party modes that react to music in real time. Pair multiple YeeLight cubes together to build stacks, towers, and creative pixel patterns. With Wi-Fi on board, you can adjust scenes and animations from anywhere. And thanks to the magnetic connectors, you can rearrange and recombine the cubes into endless configurations. Control is effortless through virtually any smart device. Number 6. Outon S1. Let there be light. Floor light, to be exact. And when it comes to floor lamps, few do it better than the Outon S1, pushing out an impressive 30 watts of brightness. That's roughly 3,000 lumens, along with a wild palette of 16 million color options. The Outon S1 can be customized to match your vibe. Throwing a party? Easy. The music sync mode pulses and shifts color to the beat, and for gamers, it transforms your setup by reacting to the mood and genre of your gameplay. Control is effortless through the companion smartphone app or your go-to voice assistant, and you can create scenes, set timers, and schedule routines that gently fade as the day transitions. Assembly is quick too. Around 15 minutes and you're up and glowing, and the weighted base keeps everything stable against bumps from kids, pets, or clumsy adults. Number 7. eufyCam 3 S330. Time to secure the perimeter with crisp 4K footage day or night. We're talking non-stop security without needing a dedicated power outlet. We're talking solar-powered safety. That's exactly what the eufyCam 3 S330 delivers. A forever power surveillance camera built for long-term use. You get cloud storage, but you also get the option of massive local storage, expandable up to 16 terabytes using a portable drive you can swap out and archive whenever you want. The eufyCam 3 S330 runs on the brand's Bionic Mind software, an AI-powered system capable of facial recognition that can distinguish between family members, friends, pets, strangers, and even random wildlife. Irrelevant alerts can be filtered out so you only get notified about what matters. Setup is incredibly simple. Just mount it with a few screws and it's live. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it's ready to handle virtually any weather condition. Number 8. ChargeTree Go. Tame your cable chaos and keep all your daily drivers powered up with the ChargeTree Go. This compact 3-in-1 wireless charger handles your iPhone or Android device alongside your AirPods and Apple Watch in a single streamlined setup. The ChargeTree Go is Qi certified and built for travel, making it ideal for road warriors who want to maintain a clean charging routine on the move. Phone cases aren't an issue either. The design is case-friendly and plays nicely with MagSafe. 3 individual LED indicators show when each device begins charging, and when you're ready to pack up, the whole unit folds flat for portability. Everything runs off a single USB-C input for a clean, modern, no-mess power solution. Number 9. Sharkey. An EDC multi-tool? Sure, we've all seen those before, but not quite like this one. This is a true pocket-friendly everyday carry that just happens to pack 12 different tools into a single compact design. Meet Sharkey, the mini powerhouse that can pop bottles, slice open boxes, and do far more than you'd expect at first glance. It features 6 different screwdriver functions, can cut fishing line, works as a carabiner for attaching gear, and even doubles as a key ring. And yes, the coolest part, it's shaped like a tiny shark. The screwdrivers include multiple Phillips options, along with medium and large flatheads. There's also a 1/4-inch hex driver, a fingernail cleaner, and if you need to smooth something down, Sharkey includes a built-in file. Crafted from stainless steel, it's flight-safe and ready to travel pretty much anywhere you go. Number 10. Ringo. You probably haven't seen something like this before. It's a MagSafe phone holder fused directly into a water bottle, and it goes by the name Ringo. This insulated bottle keeps drinks icy cold when you want them or piping hot when you need them, and the built-in MagSafe mount turns it into a rotating 360-degree phone tripod. Watch videos hands-free, film workouts, or capture travel moments without propping your phone on random objects. Ringo keeps hot beverages warm for up to 12 hours and cold drinks chilled for up to 24, and with a full 32-ounce capacity, it delivers serious hydration wherever you wander. You can clip it to a carabiner or carry it by a finger loop. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, BPA-free, and fully leak-proof, keeping your phone dry no matter how intense the adventure. Ideal for hiking, gym sessions, or pretty much any on-the-go activity you can imagine. And that's the list. Which gadget are you grabbing first? Drop it in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.